Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2017 Mazda CX-9. Stock number is 17M112. We're going to start right away up front. You do have the HID headlights. Those are very bright, will keep you nice and safe on the roads at night. You have a chrome grille up front as well. A look down the passenger side now. You have alloy wheels. We're going to take a look at the tread on the tires here. Inside, you have leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. No rips or stains on any of the seats here. All very clean. Up top, you do have a sunroof. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera. And this CX-9 is all-wheel drive. So on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so with simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.